Morning all of you. Today I will discussion deeply about Indian Constitution Article 13. However, you prepared many competitive examination, but this article most important all of you. So friend, without taking much time, let's start in this video. Do you know about this article? If you don't know about this article, don't worry. So friend, Indian Constitution Article 13 consisted in right of minority to establish and administer educationally institution. All minority, whether based on religion or language, shall have the right to establish and administer educational institution to their choice. Approximately, this article have a two part. So friend, I have already told all of you. Today I will discussion deeply about Indian Constitution Article 13 of past part first. So friend, Indian Constitution Article 13 13 of part first tell about in making any law provided for the compulsory acquisition of any property of an educational institution established and administered by a minority referred to in clause first. The state shall ensure that the fixed amount by or determined under such law for the acquisitional of such property is such as would not refer or abroad the right guarantee under the clause. So friend, this article simple mean in proper हिंदी किसी भी अल्पसंख्यकों को अपनी लिपि भाषा संस्था को बनाए रखने का अधिकार देता है. So friend, this is very simple mean. So friend, this is very simple definition of Indian Constitution Article 13. Thank you.